Hey fam, how's it going? I was very reluctant to make this video. My wife Mara pushed me to make it and go through with it. All my life I was a big guy. I loved eating and I struggled a lot with my weight. I was fat and it seemed as though there was no way around it. Most of my life I was insecure about my weight and continued gobbling up food that gave me a sense of comfort. Either way, I was already fat. So who cares, right? I ate my way to 315 pounds. That was a major turning point in my life. I felt like if I went down this road, I would eat myself to death. Fast forward to a couple of years later, then boom! I broke the cycle and lost a total of 100 pounds. But because I was doing a fad diet at that time, I believe it was a combination of South Beach diet and Master Cleanse, both of which are very, very harsh for the body. Long story short, I was starving myself. Once I reached the target date, I binged the food that I was deprived of and yo-yoed myself back to weight gain. And though there is this body positivity movement going on to accept your body the way it is, I feel like I'm just using it to justify my unhealthy eating habits and my obesity. But ultimately, it is I who will suffer in the long run. Now that I am 33, a husband and a father, I need to live long for them. I believe it's time for me to make a lifestyle change, generate healthy eating habits, and just overall wellness. As a father, between work schedules, being on the road, being this and that, and coming home to a wife who I shower with love and affection, and a toddler who wants to play and run around. Also that same toddler who kicks your face at 3 in the morning to wake you up. Being fit as a dad is tough, but it's not impossible. So yes, I am sick of being fat. I'm sick of all these fat diets. And I am sick of justifying things. So here it is, guys. I would like to invite you in this series where I will talk about the struggles of weight loss as a dad, from generating a healthy eating regimen to building up my resistance for workouts. I am compelled to make these videos for accountability's sake and to track my progress as well. And in turn, if this series helps a couple of you dads, then that would be amazing. No, this will not be a fitness channel. It's still T-Fam Vlogs. We will still have the budget travel videos. We will still have Mommy Fridays. But this series will concentrate on being a father, a worker, a husband, taking on fitness. No magic pill, no fad diets, no meal preps. I just want this to be as realistic as possible. I would like to invite you to my Instagram, Daddy T Fit, over here. I'm gonna post the links down below as well in the description box. And yeah, I'm so excited for this. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified once we upload videos. Also, please give a thumbs up on the video to help us push this content to other dads who struggle like I am. Again, Daddy T, much love, T-Fam. Bye.